In the hand, in the hand one seed. When we grow the seed, the part of seed above the soil, the part of the seed above the soil is called plummet, and the part below the soil is called radicle.
You can continue, Aisha.
After some days, after some months later, after some weeks later, the plant grow like that. The plummet will convert into the stem, and the radicle convert into the root. After some days later, after some weeks later, the root spread into the soil, and the stem grow bigger and bigger, and the branches come in the plant, and the leaf come. After some days later, weeks later, the branches and stem spread into the above the soil, and the leaf grow bigger and bigger. And after some days later, the bird come on the leaf, and after some days later, the bird open to the convert into the beautiful flower. And after some months later, the flower convert into the fruit.
Very good.
As like man and animal needed to protein, vitamin and fat. We get protein from pulses. In my hand some pulse.
But what is necessary for the plant?
Secondly, sir, after that.
In my hand some pulses, kidney pulse, gram pulse, pigeon pea pulse, and etc. As like us, plant also needed some components for grow or survive. The plant prepared them. In the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, plants prepare their food. This process is called photosynthesis.
Write down photosynthesis. And yes, you fellow, what is mean by photosynthesis? You fellow. Yes. What is mean by photosynthesis?
खाने
Yes.
खाने का
No. Wrong.
सब
Yes. 1 minute. She told you what is photosynthesis.
in the presence of sunlight,
Yes.
water,
In the presence
carbon,
of
sunlight,
water,
carbon dioxide, prepare their food.
Who prepared? Who prepared that? Yes.
Plant
Plant prepare their food. It's called as
photosynthesis.
photosynthesis. And in Urdu, yes, anybody from you? अच्छा कोकनी में बोलो. ये क्या किया उन्होंने? यस, सर ने जो उर्दू में कहा ना वो सही है. ये जो अमल हो रहा है ना, ग़िज़ा तैयार करने का अमल, उस अमल को क्या कहा उन्होंने? शुआए तरकीबी. रोशनी जो है आती है, शुआ आती है, सूरज की किरणें आती है, और दूसरा क्या मिलता है उनको? और क्या कहा आपने? सनलाइट एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ये और वाटर, ये तीन चीजें मिलकर क्या बनता है? यस, फोटोसिंथेसिस का अमल शुरू रहता है. जाना
You understand all the parts? Yes.
Most fast.
Yeah.
Tell the parts.
Aisha, loudly.
Branches.
First. Okay. Next.
Many types of fruit. Perhaps two main types of fruit: taproot and fibrous fruit. Monocotyledonous plant have taproot. Dicotyledonous plant have taproot, and monocotyledonous plant have fibrous fruit. What is dicotyledonous? Dicotyledonous means the part divide into two equal parts. Monocotyledonous means the seed they cannot divide into the two parts is called monocotyledonous. Leaf. Leaf play an important role in photosynthesis. The leaf has mainly two parts: compound leaf and simple leaf. Do you know about autotrophic?
No.
Anybody?
We didn't.
Autotrophic means the animals prepare their own food, like a plant. They prepare their own food is called autotrophic. And heterotrophic, the animal depend on other is called heterotrophic. Just like
Yes, example. Give
Just
one
like-
example.
One example. Give the example.
all
What?
animals.
All animals. All the animals are depend on
Other.
others. Okay. We are please cooperate this girl.
Good afternoon, respected auditor. I interact with you. I would you like to ask a question about you. So please answer to my question. If your answer is yes, in this way, if your answer is yes, so please say orally yes and action, doing action like this. And if your answer is no, say orally no and doing action like this.
Nice.
Everybody understand? All of you understand? My current affair.
Everybody understand?
Okay.
Are you ready for a given
Yes.
question and a short interview?
Yes.
So please stand up.
Stand up all of you.
Be there. Aisha.
If your answer is
Go on the stage.
if your answer is incorrect, so please sit up. Are you happy with your job?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you happy with your profession?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you happy with your job?
Sir is wrong. Sir is wrong. Yes, Aisha.
Can you run very fast?
Can you run very fast?
Yes.
So sit. They all there say orally but can't do that. What properly? Okay. Yes.
Can you like tea?
Yes. Yes. Like that. Yes. I like tea. I like next.
Can you run very fast?
Yes.